Good morning, folks, and reporting live from the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Welcome back here for our first time this season. Headed today towards Liberty Mountain Resort, located in Fairfield, Pennsylvania. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 620 feet of vertical, 20 total trails there at the resort. 17 are going to be open according to the ski report this morning. Excited to get back here. We had originally a 3.2 shred score at Liberty. We have introduced the bump up system, as you know, so there's always an opportunity to get higher. Also, this could work against you. It could go lower as well. The key to Liberty is getting there early. Since it's located so close to a city center in Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, it can definitely draw a crowd. Word is out this year. I see people with their skis on the car, on the roof this morning, so that makes me smile a little bit. You know, like it would just be me on the road in the morning and no one had it here. And now, you know, you got a little bit of flurry panic involved, and people seem to be able to wake up early all of a sudden as soon as the snow conditions are good. So I see y'all. I'm out here same time every morning. Looking forward to getting out there on the hill at Liberty, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. All right, folks, welcome to Liberty Mountain Resort here in Fairfield, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to do a little top to bottom, so hold on tight. We're starting with the double by. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Liberty Mountain Resort, located in Fairfield, Pennsylvania. What a day it was out there. Had a great time. I gave this place a 3.2 shred score in the past. It's a great spot to get out and learn. It does get a little crowded and whatnot, but the backside offers some great runs. Most stuff is open, so that's an anomaly here in the Mid-Atlantic. So this year has been like off the press, the best season of skiing here in the Mid-A, and I have no idea how long. It's been quite a while. So get out there this year, get your turns in. Looking forward to getting out to my next hill. Not sure where it's going to be, and I'll see y'all next time.